your electronic device out of airplane mode. Once the captain's parked the aircraft at the gate, turn off the seatbelt sign. This will be your only indication that it's safe to move about the cabin. Please do remember to check seat pockets, overhead bins, closets for all the items you brought with you this evening. It's certainly been our pleasure having you with us on our flight from Boston. We do also want to remind you of those World Elite MasterCard applications for the 50,000 Advantage miles that we'll have up front for you as you exit the aircraft. Again, it's been our pleasure having you with us tonight. Have a great evening here in Charlotte or at your final destination. Thanks for choosing America.